Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important because this video is related to TCS free NQT, paid NQT, Ninja digital hiring process. So this video is all about the TCS different hiring examination in which you have to attend the examination of TCS as well as they will give you opportunity of Ninja digital or other hiring. So this video is related to the TCS free NQT, Ninja digital hiring, TCS smart hiring. What about the NQT free preparation? Is it for 23, 22 and 24 batch? So one of the most important point that TCS Code Vita hiring is already ongoing, means the examination is from 24th November. So it is one of the biggest opportunity. I already made this type of videos on our channel, okay, on the July 16, 2021, like how to start preparation for TCS Ninja exam, and it is for the 22 batch. So this video is all about the TCS paid NQT, TCS free NQT, and one of the most important point that I have to mention, don't miss TCS hiring, okay. So if you are from 2024 batch, so don't miss TCS Code Vita, because TCS Code Vita is a direct hiring opportunity that they will give you the Ninja or digital opportunity, okay. So how? So like according to your performance in the round 1, so they will shortlist the candidates, and according to the performance in the Code Vita round 1, they will share the interview mail with candidates that is related to Ninja or digital, okay. So if you applied for Code Vita, it is one of the good opportunity for 24 to 27 batch, okay. But most probably they are considering the recent graduates or freshers batch. So 2024 batch have a chance to appear for interview of Ninja and digital, okay. So don't miss the TCS Code Vita hiring. As well as what about the TCS different examination? So there is a TCS free NQT, there is a TCS smart hiring. It is for non-tech courses, like non-tech courses and like BCA, BSc and BCom, MCom and other courses. TCS Code Vita is for many tech courses. TCS free NQT, that is a Ninja digital hiring, it is for BE, BTech and tech courses, okay. And what about the TCS HackQuest? TCS HackQuest is also a like a hacking type competition in which it is a cyber security challenge, okay. It is provided by the TCS team, and there is a TCS paid NQT the 4 times in a year. So one of the most important point, many 2024 batch candidates and 23 and 22 are registering for paid NQT, as well as they are also waiting for the free NQT. So what about the paid NQT and what about the free NQT? Let's discuss the difference between both, okay. So in paid NQT there is no 60% criteria, and it is for all courses, tech, non-tech, if you are from any background. In TCS free NQT there is a 60%, 50% criteria, and it is also for all courses but for some courses. It will be held 4 times in a year, and TCS free NQT is according to timelines. There is a scorecard in which there is a scorecard of 2-year validity. You can apply for jobs on TCS Ion portal, okay. TCS Ninja and TCS digital hiring is rarely, मतलब हो ही नहीं है अभी काफ़ी टाइम से, मतलब यहाँ पर कंडक्ट ही नहीं हुई है TCS Ninja and TCS digital hiring from TCS paid NQT. But according to the free NQT, there is a direct hiring for TCS Ninja, TCS digital, there is a TCS smart hiring, TCS MBA hiring. You can attend all NQT, मतलब 4 times NQT हो रही है ना, आप NQT कितनी भी बार दे सकते हैं अपना स्कोर इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. यहाँ पर आपका टेस्ट स्कोर मैटर करता है, एंड TCS फ्री NQT में आपकी ओवरऑल हायरिंग प्रोसेस मैटर करती है, ओके. So if you are from 2020, like one of the most important point, 23 and 22 batch, like 23, 22 TCS hiring is totally depends on them. like कि वो क्या मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, उनके टाइमलाइंस के हिसाब से आपको यहाँ पर जो फ्री NQT है उसकी अपॉर्चुनिटी देते कि नहीं देते. But 24 have a very good opportunity, and as well as if you are from 23 you can also prepare for that. So ये आपकी फ्री NQT की भी प्रिपरेशन हो रही है, और आप अगर पेड NQT में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो भी आप यहाँ पर प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं. So you can check the TCS Launchpad portal, and it is one of the biggest opportunity that is released by TCS team. There is a expert webinar, tech news, and TCS Byte podcast and quizzes, hackathons and ideathons. You can check the short video in which they mention all the details, as well as frequently asked question is this is related to the TCS Launchpad process. And if you what is the eligibility? All freshers TCS aspirants can register for TCS Launchpad. Okay, this is free preparation by the TCS team, as well as don't miss the Code Vita opportunity. The Code Vita is one of the examination from the TCS team. Okay, मैं आप सभी को बता रहा हूँ, this is the 2024 hiring process of TCS free NQT. So don't miss this, as well as don't miss the Code Vita opportunity, because if you perform very well, there is a TCS Ninja, there is a TCS digital interview opportunity according to the previous examination trends. बिकॉज प्रीवियस में भी यही होता है कि मतलब प्रीवियस में भी यही हुआ था कि आपने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया तो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. ओके, सो इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर पेड एनक्यूटी, यू कैन चेक दैट वहाँ से TCS निंजा डिजिटल की हायरिंग नहीं होती है, बट फ्रॉम द फ्री एनक्यूटी देयर इज अ हायरिंग. ओके, so we have to wait for free NQT timelines, and I hope this video will clear all the doubts that is related to TCS hiring exams. If you have any another doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.